What is this? It kind of looks like a Viking sword. I was just looking for my keys. Who could have lost this here? What do I do with it? Maybe I could give it to a museum?
Hey, this is my sword.
Who are you?
I'm a Viking, but it doesn't matter. Why do you have my sword?
An actual Viking? I can't believe it.
Yes, I am. I was just sitting with my family at the fireplace in Hedeby, and now I see you with my sword, and I don't even know you.
First of all, we're not at Hedeby, we're at Danevirke, and it's like the 21st century, and you're dead.
But how did this happen? And how did I get here? And why do you have my sword?
It's just another relic here. It's archaeology. I know a little bit about it. Yeah, I can show you around here. Take this. Come with me.
What is this? We built this out of earth.
This is they built it out of brick later on. It was 7 meters high at its tallest. I think it was King Valdemar. He's a little after your time. But I actually have something I want to show you. It's at Hedeby. They have this inauguration thing.
Yeah, let's go.
Und deshalb ist diese Plakette nicht etwa ein Orden, den man dafür bekommt, dass man etwa...
This plank is not a medal, but a challenge for us. We have to retain and preserve this project for the world, for society and for history.
Dass wir dieses auch für die Welt, für die Gesellschaft, für die Geschichte bewahren und erhalten.
What is this? What does it mean?
This is about the UNESCO World Heritage Convention. It's a convention that has been around since 1972, which protects cultural and natural sites of importance. And Hedeby has just become one of those places.
Oh, that is nice. Where have all the other houses gone?
The original houses have been gone for over hundreds of years. These are only reconstructions.
Oh, I remember this place. That's where we met and had discussions.
Do you want to go inside?
Yes, why not? This house looks just like in our time. How were you able to build this?
The archaeologists were able to reconstruct it so well because they found big parts of wood in the soil-rich earth.
Well, that is interesting. But why did they find this much artifacts in Hedeby?
I actually don't know that much about it myself, so let's go and find somebody who does.
Yeah, let's do it.
Hello, Tummuscheit. Thank you for being here today. My first question is for you, that you're obviously interested in archaeology, and how does archaeology help modern society?
I think archaeology is very important in our modern society because archaeology is about history, and history is for everybody his or her personal past, and we need to have roots and to know about our roots and where we come from.
Yeah, so why did you find this much artifacts and relicts in especially Hedeby, and what makes this place so unique and special for archaeology?
Hedeby was very special in its time because so many people lived there in the first place. That was very unique in its time because most people lived in villages or on single farms with very few people. Groups of families lived together. But in Hedeby it was the beginning of the development to that what we know as towns today.
Yeah, you just mentioned that Hedeby was very large at its time, maybe the largest town here in the north. How much of the whole city did you discover until today, or how much did you excavate of the city?
Actually, we excavated very few, or not much of the area. It's less than 5% which have been excavated or investigated by excavation. The place is 24 hectares large, all in all, but yeah, as I said, it's only less than 5% which have been excavated.
What are your hopes for this World Heritage Site and its future development?
My hopes are, firstly that I think it's very important that we keep these heritage sites safe, from destruction and from disturbances, so that they will survive the next couple of 100 years. And another wish is that we will be able to investigate more, that we can do research, but on a very targeted and limited scale, so not to destroy too much of the site itself.
Yes, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Well, that was interesting. I'm glad to hear that some parts of my culture are still alive today.
Yes, isn't archaeology just fascinating?
What is this? It kind of looks like a smartphone from the 21st century. What do I do now?